Hey peeps, what's up? Munchie here, back with another video. And if you have the Google Pixel 8a and you're using it to stream music via Bluetooth to say your car's head unit, and you see that the song information being displayed on the head unit of your car is incorrect, or the song is stuttering, well, that is what we're going to try and fix in this video. Now do note, if the fix does not work for you, then the best option is to return the device to Google. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to go into settings. Then you're going to go into connected devices, and over here you will see that your car's head unit is paired to your Google Pixel 8a. Go ahead and forget that device. So first of all, we have to enable developer options. How do you do that? You go into settings, then you go into about phone. Here, then scroll down all the way, you will see something called build number. You need to tap on this 7 times, and then if you have a pin or password setup, you have to enter that. And once you've entered your PIN, you're going to get a toast notification that you are now a developer. And now, once we have enabled developer options, we're going to go into settings and go into system, scroll down, make sure you see the option of developer options. This is going to ensure that developer options has been enabled successfully. Next up, go back to the settings main page, tap on search settings, and here then you need to search for AVRC P. As soon as you type in AVR, you're going to get the option of Bluetooth AVRCP version under developer options. Select this option, and as you can see, currently 1.5 is set as default. So note down the default one. Then tap on this and you will notice you have a bunch of different options. We're going to start with AVRCP 1.3. Once you've changed your Bluetooth AVRCP version to the lowest one available, in our case it is 1.3, we need to go ahead and reboot our Google Pixel 8a. Now once the Google Pixel 8a has rebooted successfully, we're going to go back into settings, search settings, select the same option, which is Bluetooth AVRCP version, and make sure that our changes are saved. So here it is, you can see that our AVRCP version for Bluetooth is now set to 1.3. At this point, go ahead, go back into settings, connected devices, pair your Google Pixel 8a to your car's head unit once again, and then play some music and see if the song information is fixed, if the stuttering of song is fixed or not. If it is fixed, then well and good. If it is not fixed, then you need to repeat the same steps again. So you'll go back into settings, connected devices, forget the device, go into search settings, Bluetooth AVRCP version, and this time around, instead of 1.3, choose the next one, which is AVRCP 1.4, reboot your device, pair it one more time, and see if that fixes the song information and stuttering of media when streaming music from the Google Pixel 8a to your car's head unit. And do let us know in the comments below which Bluetooth AVRCP version worked for you and your car's model as well.